Check this out, letting me record up to 1 hour from this point on my Xbox. No freaking capture card, no streaming, no recording on my iPhone. This is legit. What is poppin', gangsta YouTubers? A21 Aaron, the gaming tutorial channel, is back with a frickin' banger for you today. We are showing you how to record up to 1 hour on your Xbox One with no capture card. This is all strictly on your Xbox One, the cheapest possible solution. The first thing you need for this tutorial is either a 3.0 USB flash drive or an external hard drive like a Seagate. Even just the cheaper ones work as well. Obviously, I recommend a external hard drive, but we're trying to help you save money on a capture card, so we're just gonna go with the cheaper route. You should be able to get one for under $30. I'm pretty sure there's some even cheaper than that. I'm gonna find the cheapest one and put a link in the description to help you out, but before buying one, I definitely recommend asking your mom, your dad, your cousins, your uncles, your sisters, your brothers, your cousins, your nephews, your nieces. Somebody has to have an extra 3.0 USB flash drive just laying around that they're not using. You can borrow it for the next couple months. It should help out until you can save up to buy a capture card. I am so sorry for the super long intro, but let's just get right into it. Now that you have your USB flash drive or your external hard drive, whatever you decide to use, we're gonna go ahead and go down into the Xbox button and then go to the settings. Once you go down to settings, you're gonna go all the way down to system and then go down to storage. Once you are in the system storage, you should be able to see the USB or external hard drive that you plugged in. If you get this error message right here, then you most likely don't have a 3.0 drive. So that's what I was telling you about earlier. It needs to be a 3.0. Now, once you have corrected that mistake that I had earlier, then you should have a 3.0 or an external hard drive that should work. When you plug it in, try to do the set capture before formatting. That's another mistake that I made as well. So I wanted to show you guys all the mistakes that I made so you not have to repeat it. Well, when you format the new USB or external hard drive, it's going to format it to the Xbox games. So it's not going to let you do media or set it to capture location. As you can see right now, when I do set as capture location, I get this error message that this device has been formatted for Xbox games. You pretty much need to go on your computer and then reformat it to an NTFS format. And trust me, I'm not that good with computers either, so I'm not too sure what it is. I just know that I had to unplug it again and then plug it into my computer, and then that's another thing on its own, trying to format that to the NFTS. So let's just go ahead and move over to our computer if you did make this mistake. First thing you're going to want to do is go on your computer after plugging in your flash drive or external hard drive, go all the way down and right click on the Windows button and then scroll all the way up to disk management. Once you click on disk management, then you're going to see all the different hard drives or external hard drives, whatever you may have plugged into your computer. Now, if you go all the way down, that should be the one that you need. It says like all located. I don't know that name, but what you're going to do is right click on that as well and then choose the format. When you do this format, it should be automatically defaulted to the NFTS format, so that should work perfectly for you. Once you have formatted it and it's completely done, you'll see it turns blue like it just did on the screen right now. Now we know that it's ready. So we're going to unplug it and go back to our Xbox. So I just plugged it back into my Xbox right now and it showed up. So we're going to go ahead and click it again and put, instead of formatting, we're going to just go straight to set to capture. Now it says that this lets you capture longer clips and edit on your PC. So now you're able to record up to 60 minutes. And this is without a capture card, just straight from the Xbox One. No streaming, no recording on a crappy camera, whatever you may have been doing, you don't have to do anymore. And as you can see, we went on to Fortnite, of course, to do a little test drive. And as you can see, mission accomplished. You can now record up to 1 hour. If you're wondering why it says capture what happened is only 15 seconds to 2 minutes, that is because you cannot go back and record up to 1 hour. It's just using the regular built-in DVR that's on the Xbox. If you're using the 1080p, you can go back up to 2 minutes. If you're using the 720p, then you're able to go back up to 5 minutes. It's honestly completely irrelevant and has nothing to do with this. I just wanted to bring it up just in case anybody wants to ask, hey, why does it only say you can go back 2 minutes? That's just because if you want to go back, it still uses the regular built-in DVR. So I just wanted to put that out there. Just like before, if you're using 720p, 5 minutes is the maximum. If you're using 1080p, 2 minutes is the maximum. But like I said, it's completely irrelevant. If you're trying to make a YouTube video, you need to be recording the start stop option so you can record more than an hour. It makes it a lot easier to do the editing, especially in Upload Studio, so you don't have to patch everything together. Thank you all for watching, and if you are still here at the end, please slap a fat like on the video and subscribe if you are new. We have all kinds of new gaming channel tutorials as always. Thank you guys very much. I will see you in the next video. A21 Aaron is out. Peace out, gangsters. is like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.